How to create Subscript or SuperScript in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create Subscript or SuperScript in Canva. So first thing, just head over to any of your website or browser and just click on this canva.com, and once you're inside this website, make sure you have successfully signed into your account as usual, and then just select any of the design you like to create. And since I am a poster design, I'm using it. So once you're inside here, finally, just unfortunately you cannot directly create a subscript or superscript inside the Canva, but what you can do instead is there is a quick method to create it. As you can see in my screen, I have already created one superscript or subscript over here. So this one is a superscript. So in order to create just like this, you have to create a two text box. So let me just select X for this example over here. So as you can see, I have created a one text box over here. You can enlarge or increase its height and width just like this according to your choice, and you can then freely drag it and move it around. So once again, I will click on another text button over here and I'll just click on 2, so that to make it over subscript. So I'll just put it right in front of this X, and I will just decrease the size to make it look like a subscript. So now as you can see, all I have to do is just select this both and click on group. So it should be grouped just like this, and I can move it freely just like this. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.